This is another example in which we will use Quick Pallet Maker to determine which standard case size is best for shipping a couple of primary packages. First step is to run the software. Next, we will go to the Standard Cases and Pallets window. And in the first tab, at the bottom table, we will check to see that we have a set of standard cases already marked. These are the cases marked yellow, and they will be used for filling with primary packages. So we open a new data sheet starting from primary package. We make sure that the units are in millimeters. If they weren't, we will be using the units millimeter command. And now we will go to the Load Multiple Packages window. Here we will uncheck the Only Show Full Boxes checkbox, and we will add the dimensions of the primary packages. The first one is 190 by 200 by 90 with a weight of 4 kilograms. We add it, and we add another one that is 190 by 200 by 126 and a weight of 4.74 kilograms. Here we will change the colors. And add it to. We click on Done, and we will choose the box type for filling. It's called Yellow, Fill Standard Cases, and we will use an internal slack, maximum internal slack of 100 millimeters. We leave the predetermined pallet, which is 1.2 by 1 meter pallet, and a maximum height of 1,345 millimeters. Tools, recalculate. And we are able to obtain a set of boxes. We click on View Box Contents to see the configuration of the packages inside. This is a 600 by 200 by 400. Seems to be very efficient. Depending on the type of package that's being loaded. The 400 by 300 by 400 also seems to be good. And we see the different types. 600 by 400 by 400. This one seems to be very efficient for both types. So we go back, change data, and now we will uncheck, close this window, sorry. We will uncheck all but the 600 by 400 by 400. If we uncheck them, that means that we won't use them. We will only use this last one. New data sheet, start from primary package, load multiple packages. We add the dimensions again. 1. Change the colors. Make sure that this is unchecked. Click on Done. Yellow. Fail standard cases. 100. And calculate. There we go. So we're set here with the 600 by 400 by 400.